Good morning, students. Today I'm going to take up chapter 2 from the Pact with Sun, your supplementary reader, and the title of the chapter is The Friendly Mongoose. Open your books and side by side you will be reading from the textbook also. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. The pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. Once in a village lived a family, a farmer, his wife, and a small baby. The farmer thought that they should have a pet in their house who would be a companion, a friend of their son when they grow up. So the wife also liked the idea, and one evening the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. It is a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. So one evening the father brought a small baby mongoose to the house, and he presented that mongoose to his wife and said that when the mongoose would grow up, he will be a friend of their son. So both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size, a lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. So the mongoose grew up as a full grown-up size mongoose in 5 or 6 months, but human children grow a little slower than the animals. So the baby was still baby. It was sleeping in the cradle, crying, lying down whole day, but the mongoose became a lovely animal with 2 shiny black eyes and a bushy tail. So they became friends. One day the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, "I am off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose." So this was the worry of the mother. One day she wanted to go to the market. She took the basket and she talked to her husband that the child is sleeping, but she could not leave the child alone with the mongoose. So she wanted that her husband should stay at home to look after the child in her absence. "You need not be afraid," said the farmer. "The mongoose is a friendly animal. It is as sweet as our baby, and they are the best of friends, you know." So what did the father reply? He said that the animal, the mongoose, was a friendly animal, and they both, the animal and the baby, they were friends, and he assured his wife that she should go to the market without any fear. And the wife went to the market. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. He ran into some friends on the way back and did not return for quite some time. So the father, he did not have anything to do at home. He also went to see his fields, and on his way back he went to some friend's house and did not come back for a long time. Meanwhile, the farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her, and the farmer's wife, she finished her shopping and she came back home with a heavy load of grocery basket with her, and the mongoose was waiting for her outside the house, as if it was waiting for the lady. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. And when the farmer's wife looked at the mongoose, because the mongoose was smeared with blood, his face and body and paws all were smeared with blood, so she was shocked to see the condition of the mongoose, and she cried, "You wicked animal, you have killed my baby," she screamed hysterically. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of grocery on the blood smeared mongoose and ran inside to the baby's cradle. It was her idea. She thought that the mongoose had killed the child. So she threw her heavy bag on the mongoose, and the mongoose died there only. And she rushed into the house to see what had happened to the child, but the baby was safe. The baby was asleep, and there was a big snake lying on the floor. It was bleeding, and in a flash, she realized what had happened in her absence. Now, the mongoose had been killed by her. She ran out to look for the mongoose, and she reached there, but by the time the mongoose had died under the heavy grocery bag thrown by the woman on the mongoose. So the mongoose was killed. Now what, she repented a lot, she cried a lot, she touched the mongoose, and she repented on her wrongdoing, but it was dead. Nothing could be done. She narrated everything to her husband, what she had done, but whatever she did could not be reversed. Now she wiped her tears, and her baby was crying. She went back to feed him, but this was a hasty action done by her, which killed a loyal mongoose. So children, we learn from this chapter that whatever we do, we should think twice before doing anything. So your task is that you are going to read this story from your textbook and are going to solve the question answers. And of course, if you face any problem, I am there to help you. Thank you. Have a great day.